Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trading. Come to you live from Vietnam, guys. Great time to be live, and howdy. Good morning from Vietnam, guys. As I told you in my previous video that yesterday was reversal day, and guess what? We did have a freaking reversal exactly as I predicted. So I'm going to tell you what happened, why Bitcoin is going down, and what can we expect. Also, it looks like we could have some bad news for Dogecoin. Looks like Dogecoin logo, the Kobasu original doggedy dog, looks like the intellectual property of that logo has been bought by another project officially. So we're going to talk about that. What is the impact? What are the implications for Dogecoin? Also, good news. Finally, some freaking good news. Looks like we could see a nice bullish pattern for Dogecoin. My camera keeps tracking me and it keeps zooming in and zooming out. I apologize. Technical difficulties, so you just have to bear with me, guys. So it's a great time to be live. My camera's moving. The AI is taking over the world. Guys, go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Just an OG in the house expressing my opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, in case you didn't notice. So what's going on? We did see that yesterday, despite some negativeness from the Fed chair. We're going to be talking about that as well. We did see that basically the stock markets are neutral, but we did see Meta dumped. Yeah, I'm happy about that because I'm not a big fan of the Zuckerberg out there. So it looks like the Fed are going to be keeping the rates higher for much longer than expected. That is not a good thing as far as I'm concerned. This guy here, his whole strategy for fighting inflation, we can confirm now it didn't work, brother. And all you did is collapse, bang, and choke the economy. So thank you very much for that. Thank you. So if we take a look at what's going on for crypto, you like how I say crypto? Did I tell you none of this is financial advice? Did I tell you to smash the likes? Do it now. Go down there and subscribe. What are you waiting for? Only takes a millisecond. So we're seeing that on the 24-hour basis, the cryptos are down. Debbie Downer. But we are seeing a little bit of light at the end of the tunnel. We can see that on the hourly, things are starting to pick up out there. Pick up. So that's pretty good. That is good. If you take a look at crypto bubbles, it's horrendous out there. Horrendous. But once again, if we flip to the hourly, we are seeing some good things happening. So not too bad. We're seeing the Doge is slightly up. The pepper's up. Bonk is down. Bonk. Now it looks like H-bar is slightly up, but did give up a lot of gains yesterday, guys. So that's what's going on. Overall, crypto markets, on the hourly, things are picking up, but so far we're down, down. Why is that happening? Why did Bitcoin dump? Why did Bitcoin tank and bring down all the cryptos? Well, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to enlighten your brain pans in a second. Fear gaze is 72. Monthly, 10% down. Not good out there. ETF-wise, if you take a look at total ETF, we did have, of course, GBDC selling again. We did have Bitwise buying. We had Van Eck buying. We had Franklin buying. We had Invesco selling, Debbie Downers. We had Fidelity buying. And of course, ARK is also buying as well. So look, 537 sold. 509 bought here. Total inflow, 523 Bitcoin. Yeah. Just go figure, guys. It's a manipulation. So why is Bitcoin down today? Well, Bitcoin is down today after renewed conflict in the Middle East and concern over China's economy, etc. But one of the big reasons is this. Looks like regulatory pressure intensifies amid reduced spot Bitcoin ETF inflows. And remember, another factor impacting crypto is that the CZ, Deng Xiaoping, after court filing on 23rd, indicated that CZ sentences on April 3rd might be more severe than expected, creating pressure across the crypto industry. Binance continues to lead spot and derivative Bitcoin trading volumes. So it looks like CZ could be going to jail. Whoa. Also, remember, we did have U.S. regulators went after Uniswap on the 10th as well. Also, looks like Roman Storm, co-founder of Crypto Mixer Tornado Cash, filed a motion to dismiss charges related to alleged money laundering because he's in trouble again. So looks like yeah, the regulatory bodies are going nuts. So that's the CZ going to go to jail. Also, too, we have more strikes happening, and you know where. So yeah, that's what's going on. Also, looks like investor risk perception escalated following the S&P Global Ratings, which warned potential corporate bond defaults in China. China. Doing my Donald Trump impression out there. Yeah, so that's what's going on. So we got geopolitical, we got China issues. We've got you know, increased conflict, as I said, and then we got CZ possibly go to jail. So remember, CZ is not the president of Binance anymore. He stepped down. So that's what. So who the F is selling their Bitcoin again? Market makers are taking liquidity. So we are seeing that once again, market makers are taking liquidity, and that's why we had this big dumpski on the daily, right? So if you change that to like a hourly 4-hour time frame, you'll be able to see here. This is market makers taking liquidity out there, wrecking a whole bunch of, wrecking all the long wongs out there, and it's typical. Tuesdays is reversal day. Okay, so of course, the CZ news breaks. Of course, the report about China breaks all of the same time. Wow, Debbie Downer, you know, centralized media creating FUD out there, guys, because they're all working for BlackRock. You know what I mean? So Bitcoin 115 sooner than expected. Last time the MACD crossed bullish on the daily time frame, it went up 75%. So we're seeing that out here, right here. MACD sounds like a new McDonald's sandwich. Get your MACD burger out there, MACD burger. Get a MACD burger out there. So if BTC were to go up 75%, that would put the price target of $115. So we've seen this time and time again. Yeah, we got this bullish crossover on the MACD. Looking pretty good, guys. So overall, you know, a little bit, you know, we're going to have some valleys. It's no problem. You know, remember the halving only finished a couple, like what, a week ago, the 20th? Yeah, 5 days ago, right? Halving finished 5 days ago. So yeah, expect some chippity-chop consolidation for the first week. Let the dust settle out there. But, you know, giant Bitcoin spot ETF has spotted in Hong Kong. That's pretty good. I haven't heard when they're actually going to start selling the Bitcoin spot ETFs. Haven't had any news on that yet. So let's talk about meme coins. Let's talk about Dogecoin. Let's talk about everything related to crypto out there. Let me give this a minute to refresh. I think this is old data. So yeah, we are seeing that most of the meme coins are down, down. The only thing that's kind of up right now in the last 24 hours meme-wise, wow, baby Dogecoin up 17%. Ew. Okay, so yeah, the market cap is at 53 million. So 53 billion. 53.5, so we're kind of like just going range about like 53, 55, 53, 50. It's like, you know, we're just like this tight range, guys. Who doesn't like something tight range, guys? Tight range. So Dogecoin is down 5.5% in the last 24 hours. Debbie Downer out there. We are seeing, yeah, it dumped in terms of amplitude compared to Bitcoin. It dumped almost double the amount. And this is pretty typical for Doge. Bollinger Bands. We got the SMA 20. Simple moving average 20 days, which is acting as a resistance. We got to get up there, guys. So, but there is some Dogecoin just signal a bullish pattern. Here's the proof. This is on a weekly. So we're seeing this kind of pattern here happening. It's almost textbook. Boom, 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 boom. We did see a breakout here, absolutely, and now we are around about here. So we should start to see this retest, and then we should go uppity up, guys. So 16 cents is the resistance, next biggest resistance for Dogecoin. So yeah, Dogecoin is down because crypto's down. Why is the crypto down? Well, China, CZ getting arrested, and geopolitical stuff in the Middle East. That's it. That's why. And then we got all this FUD pieces came out, right? We got CZ news, China news, Middle East news, and we got interest rate news. So we got all these four things swirling around and affecting investor sentiment and this and that. And we've got the GBTC is still selling, but GBTC, they keep this up. They're gonna have much to sell. They're almost out of Bitcoin. So let's talk about this. Let's freaking talk about this. This is important. So in case you didn't know, it's strange to see that, you know, Dogecoin, we could lose our logo, you know, the Kobasu logo. Remember, the Dogecoin community at no time was that image ever licensed by the Dogecoin Foundation or anybody related to Doge? Okay, so Billy Marcus holding, nobody did that. So it is now legally the designation of a completely different token. Okay, and yeah, and the group that's behind it is called Own Dogecoin or something. Own a piece of Doge. Own a piece of Doge. So basically, they went to Japan and they made nicey nice, and they bought the intellectual property rights for the Dogecoin image. I think they paid about $500,000 for it. They erected like a statue in Chiba, I think in Sakura over there, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, so it's kind of like an NFT project. You can buy a piece of this NFT and blah blah blah. So this whole DAO community out there, they did that. So however, a decentralized currency like Dogecoin must not have an owner of its image nor of anything else. So I don't think it's a big thing to worry about out there. Yeah, I wouldn't worry about it. I absolutely would not worry about it. I think I did post something out there about it. Dogecoin Shiba Inu. Let's see. Yeah, let me just search. Let me search. Let's see. Own. There we go. Own a piece of Doge. There it is. I knew I had it. So that's the community. They got 109 followers. I'm not shilling for these people. I don't care about these people. So yeah, that's basically it. We are thrilled to officially announce a monumental achievement in meme history. Own the Doge has secured the first ever exclusive license for the iconic Doge image. Okay, so basically they're creating an NFT and they're selling pieces of the image. Okay, that's it. That's kind of the story. Okay, so I wouldn't worry about it. It could be a no-brainer out there. Yep, no-brainer. So yeah, I wouldn't worry about it. So this article is also circulating chart flashes by signal. This is a story that's coming out on Bitcoinist. Dogecoin chart flashes by signal. Can Doge reach $1? So basically, this is a recantation of the alley chart. I've talked about this until I'm blue in the face. And you know, we have these ascending triangles over a long period of time. We have consolidation, then we have breakout. Okay, so we're doing the same thing now, consolidating. And then my man Miles, he came out and posted this. I also posted this too. Is that, you know, Dogecoin is still likely to hit $1. I think it's going to hit $1. I think the Doge will hit a freaking dollar about Halloween. Okay, so stop whinging, stop whining. Any Dogecoin under 16 cents. It's a freaking great time to buy. My camera's like it's weird, right? I move, it moves, and it's like normally it follows me and it pans nice and smooth, but it's kind of like weird. It's making me nauseous. I'm getting dizzy out there. Hopefully it's not making you dizzy. Once again, Shiba Inu is down again. Of course, it dumped because the whole market's dumb. We know that. So that's kind of it, guys. Nothing too much to report about. Hey, this is the OG yesterday. Yeah, the OG. Just chilling at the beach. You know, having some brewskis, having a brewski out there. So yeah, and I'm enjoying the Doge. Look, I'm enjoying the Doge. So that's kind of what happened with me yesterday. What happened? So I talked about this. Yeah, this sucks. Dogecoin down again. Yeah, it sucks. Dogecoin Shiba Inu. Most people, of course, are choosing the Doge. We know that. Dogecoin. This is kind of like Dogecoin lost its image. Owner sold IP to another token. The community member suggests that the future Dogecoin use a picture of a Shiba Inu as a logo, right? So basically, the original Kobasu Inu, simple. Just go buy a Shiba Inu dog, take some pictures. There you go. Bing. So Billy Marcus, if you're watching, go buy a Shiba Inu dog, hire someone to take some photos, and let's get it, okay? So then the whole controversy is over, like toot sweet, okay? What else? That's the whole controversy. Talked about this. Yeah, what do you guys think? Do you believe DT will make America great again? Yeah, comment. I appreciate it. This is what I had yesterday for my din-dins. I kind of had this. This is kind of like Japanese pizza. So I had this, had pizza, this and that. Yeah, it was okay, guys. And yesterday was kind of weird. Had this kind of like blood red moon thing happening at the beach. Kind of scary, ominous. Yesterday we were at 16, right? Now we're down to 15. Debbie Downer. Once again, Doge was up yesterday 3%. Now it's down, right? So this is where I was yesterday, in case you guys are wondering what's going on. But yeah, it's kind of cool. It's kind of near my house. You can walk there, go there a lot. I love it. I love it. I love it. So that was kind of this blood red moon. This the OG looking pretty cool. The video scene. So that's it. Dogecoin rise $1 to the moon, guys, to the moon out there. So yeah, there's the OG, dapper OG. So guys, I just want to say be blessed, be well. I appreciate it, guys. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Peace out, guys. I don't know why I got a headache. Off the grind, off the grind, off the grind.